we went. Hi, this is Richard from Sleep Haven. Just giving you a quick carpet cleaning tip. We do a lot of commercial carpet cleaning in corridors throughout Northamptonshire and the home counties. We're just doing one in Broxbourne, which is just off the M25. Anyway, we're here. We've got some chewing gum or oil that's been brought into the communal area. Quick tip for you: bit of chewing gum remover, and what it does, if I spray that on there, that will freeze it, and that will start to break down some of the gum on the surface. And as you can see, it's just starting to bubble a little bit here where we're frozen it, and that will start to break down the outer layer. Now here, I started on one a little bit earlier, so it is a bit of a process. I've sprayed it and I've taken off the top layer. So what I've got to do now is just to try and break that down on the edge there, and with a brush. Might need just a bit more here. Because it's got gum, it's got several layers, so it can be quite hard to get off. So, and as you can see, it's just starting to break down. I've broken down the upper layer from previously, and now I'm going to just work here with a hand tool. And here you can see, it's just starting, where it's frozen it's just starting to break that down. So I'm just working on that as gently as I can. Just breaking it down more. Start to extract. And as you can see, that's breaking down. So just got the last remnants there. Just frozen it again. Just working that round. And as you can see, that's pretty much gone. And we're there. So I won't bore you with any more, because you've heard enough of my voice going on. But from where we were here to earlier, where we had that black, we've now managed to get rid of it. So that's how you remove chewing gum, and which can cause a lot of problems to your carpets, not only domestically, commercially, in your pubs and clubs. So give me a call on 01327 342 594, because we're here to help. Thanks a lot. Bye.